Korean cuisine has so many great soups and stews, but kimchi stew is one I always come back to. Deep, savory, and full of character. Welcome to Joy's Seoul table. Today, we are making kimchi jjigae. Start by slicing half an onion. Cut the green onion, separating the white and green parts. Slice the white parts lengthwise and the green parts on a bias. Thinly slice the green and red chili if you like a bit of heat. Cut the tofu into thick, slightly larger pieces for a heartier bite. Chop the kimchi, including the core. It adds more depth of flavor. Well-fermented kimchi is deal, but this recipe works with any kimchi. In a bowl, combine gochugaru, soy sauce, fish sauce, sugar, sesame oil, and a pinch of black pepper. Mix well and set aside. For the pork, I'm using pork shoulder with the skin on. A bit of fat helps build a deeper, richer flavor in the stew. Heat a pot over medium-high heat and add the oil. Add the pork and sear until nicely browned on one side. Add the onion and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Cook until soft and slightly translucent. This lays the foundation for the stew. Add the kimchi and the seasoning. Cook over medium-low heat for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally so it doesn't stick, until the kimchi softens and deepens in flavor. Now pour in the rice water, the starch water from rinsing rice. We call it 쌀뜨물 in Korean. It lightly thickens the broth and helps everything come together. But if you don't have it, plain water works just fine. Add the kimchi juice. Bring it up over medium-high heat. Once it starts to boil, cover and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Then add the tofu and the white part of the green onion. Cover again and let it cook for another 5 minutes. Give it a taste. If your kimchi is too sour, add a teaspoon of sugar to balance it out. If it's not fully fermented, a half tablespoon of vinegar will help brighten the stew. Finish with the remaining green onion and chili. Let it come together with a brief simmer and it's ready. I'm finishing it in a tteokbegi, a traditional Korean earthenware pot. Serve hot in the tteokbegi or a warmed bowl with steamed rice on the side. Enjoy! I will see you at Joy's Seoul table.